This is actually, how do I see exam preparation process? I see ACC exam preparation process, I see it like the learning stage, which is about the lecture videos, the question videos, tutor slides, study notes, study plans, WhatsApp group, weekly live sessions. By the way, we would have weekly live sessions on Thursdays. Okay. So if you do all of these things, there is a big possibility that you will not pass the exam. You will not pass if you do all of these things. Because this is about gaining knowledge. This is not about preparing for exam. And this is one reason that people, they don't pass exam. They come in and they say, and that's why you have like 40%, 45% pass rate. And people who fail exam, they sit down and they are surprised. They say, oh, you know what, I did all the videos, I watched the question videos, teacher, I read your notes, and I could not pass, I failed. Because I'm telling you, you will fail. If you do these things, you will fail. Because this is not exam preparation, this is only learning stage. In this stage, you are only acquiring the knowledge. You are gaining knowledge. You are learning what is MIRR. What is the difference between APV and NPV? You are only learning in this thing here. The next stage, which is more important, and that is actually which will help you to pass the exam, that is getting ready for the exam. You do weekly assignments, you attempt all the quizzes, you do the progress test, you do final mock exam, you attend pre-exam live webinars, you read the technical articles and examiner reports. This is what you say getting ready for the exam. See, reading something is not, getting ready for the exam is a different thing. You need to understand. Um, Let me give you one very short example. Who the best football player? Probably Ronaldo or Messi. Now, these guys, they are the best. They are the superheroes of football. Okay. So when they have a league match, there is some important event is coming. 15 days before, they started going to camp and they started doing practice. And you ask them, if you ask this Messi or Ronaldo, that what are you doing in the last 15 days? And they say, we are getting ready. I mean, are you learning to play football in last 15 days? These guys are already the best players in the world, but they are getting ready for that event. So you need to get ready for it. It's not like you walk in to, I mean, I tell you very honestly, if I have to sit down in the AFM exam, probably next weekend, I'm not sure if I will pass or not. And even if I pass, probably I would pass it not with great marks. Why? Because I'm not ready for the exam. I don't have that ability to, I have not tuned myself to sit down and focus for 3 hours. I've not put myself into that challenge that can I sit down and keep on reading and doing for 3 hours nonstop? I'm sure I cannot do it because I have not done it in the last 20 years. So even with all the knowledge which I have, if I go to exam, I probably would do question number one, and maybe I would do question number two, and then either the time will finish or my energy will finish. So you need to get ready for the exam, okay? It's very important. Doing assignments, doing quizzes, taking progress tests, taking the mock exam. So you are warming up yourself. Then you go to the final exam, you are ready. So the final exam is not the only first appearance. If it is the only first appearance, then you don't know how your mind and how your body would react. Okay? It's very important.